Hi guys, good morning. I made myself a little breakfast. Oatmeal with flax seeds, chia seeds, and then walnuts and a banana. But I got a little workout in before I continue the rest of my day. And I really want to do my nails because they're just barren right now. I'm also in the process of doing my hair, so I have my bonnet on. But I woke up this morning and it's already January 10th. Like, February is just around the corner. And it feels like the new year just started. That was really like okay, get this going. Made me want to dedicate today on having a really focused monthly reset where I just clean up my space, just reset for the month, set my intentions. Cleaning your space and having a decluttered space will give you a clear mind so you can properly set your intentions for the month and for the whole year. Because honestly, the days really just go by so quickly that you really need to hone in on each month and just so that you can really have a good, solid, positive month. I haven't done like a really deep clean in a very, very long time, nor have I done a monthly reset in a very, very long time. So I'm gonna dedicate today to doing a really, really good clean around the house. Yeah, just getting a good start to 2025. I've already done some things that needed to be cleaned, like I washed the dishes, put them away, swept the floors and the counters. I still have other things that I need to clean, like I want to do my laundry, clean the bathroom, and then I just want to reset my overall. And that actually reminds me, I wanted to take my liquid multivitamins from Mary Roots. It's the liquid morning multivitamin, and I've been taking it every morning, and then an hour about a little bit later taking my vitamin D. So that's something that I'm trying to stay on top of and hone into, because we, especially us Black women, we are more prone to be low in vitamin D and iron. So take all your vitamins, your supplements. I work better when I have certain things like listed out. I love to-do lists. I love like to just write stuff down so that I remember things that I want to do and I can truly stay focused. When it comes to our groceries, we actually kind of just did a little restock. I think what I want to do is maybe meal prep a few things. Before I put away any of my meal prep. The fridge definitely needs a clean. There's just random things thrown around everywhere. It's just like random things just thrown everywhere and not put in any specific place. So I meal prepped a few different things. And just some breakfast, so I'm gonna put them away now. Boom. So that's done.